20.10 update. Thailand says no to cryptocurrencies. Thailand completely banned banks and other financial institutions from trading in digital currencies on Monday. Thailand's central bank was behind the ban as it said it was worried about possible problems and possible fraud with cryptocurrencies. 20.03 update. Gold investment firm in Dubai stores cryptos in secure vault. A gold investment and trading firm in Dubai called Regal Ra DMCC has unveiled the world's first deep cold storage solution to store cryptocurrencies. This will allow investors to trade and store their digital currencies in a vault located in Dubai's Almas Tower. The vault at DMCC is seen as one of the most secure precious metal facilities in the world and can store all crypto investments in a physical form. This means it will not be connected to a network, and will be alongside the company's current stock of physical gold. They have also become the first company in the Middle East to receive a license to trade cryptocurrencies. Tyler Gallagher, chief executive of Regal Assets, which owns Regal Ra, said, "We have developed what we believe is the #1 most secure way of investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto commodities." Mr. Gallagher discussing the problems that sometimes arise when individuals hold large amounts of digital currencies, said that people are reluctant to store large amounts of coins in online wallets and exchanges due to the high risk of hacking, identity theft, malware and other issues that can literally obliterate an investment. 17.41 update. Expert believes 2018 is the year of Ethereum. Greg Adams, proprietor and managing director at Block.com, a news website that purely covers cryptocurrencies, believes Ethereum is the way forward for cryptocurrencies. Mr. Adams said, "For the time being, I don't believe that Bitcoin is dead. I do believe, however, that we'll begin to see a more significant shift in market dominance from Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies throughout 2018. As people become more educated on the specifics of each currency, they'll move their money to projects with a better tech. I can see projects like Ethereum, EOS and Icon picking up steam this year, at the expense of Bitcoin. Bitcoin has become a bit of a dinosaur in recent years, and its fate could be similar to that of the Sony Walkman." The expert predicts Ethereum will be trading between $2,000 and $3,000 by mid-2018 and between $5,000 and $7,000 by the end of this year. 15.27 update. LitePay to be released on February 26. Charlie Lee, Litecoin founder and former director of engineering at Coinbase, says transaction processor LitePay will be released on February 26. Litecoin is a fork of Bitcoin. The Litecoin Foundation announced LitePay just before Christmas in a plan to allow businesses to accept payment in Litecoin from anywhere on Earth. The transaction processor allows UK-based customers to pay for products and services in dollars with a flat transaction charge of 1%. A Litecoin wallet will also be available for all major mobile and desktop browsers, and instant withdrawals from Visa-compatible ATMs and spend with any Visa merchant will be possible. 14.00 afternoon headlines updates below. Throughout the day, Bitcoin is hovering around the $9,000 mark but is failing to break through it. It is currently at $8,625 and has been jumping up and down around this figure for some time now. On February 10 it did break through the $9,000 mark and hit $9,070 but quickly fell back below the level of $9,000. This also comes as Jesse Powell, founder and CEO of Kraken, a US-based cryptocurrency exchange, has said that people who invest into cryptocurrencies should carry the burden of responsibility themselves. Mr. Powell said, "I think ultimately consumers need to look out for themselves, look into the fundamentals of any coin and not rely on any particular exchange to protect them from market volatility. We make no promises about the future of any coin. Things can change when you raise $1 billion in 10 minutes. When an individual does invest in Bitcoin, without any mass regulation at the moment, that individual is alone." 12.59 p.m. Update. Ripple falls 2 cents. Ripple is down a smidge on the day so far. Follow it, live here. 11:37 a.m. Update. Bitcoin falls. Bitcoin has lost $375 on the day so far. 10:15 a.m. Update. Iceland mining costs more than homes. A spokesman for Icelandic energy firm HS Orka has told the BBC that Iceland is facing an exponential rise in Bitcoin mining that is gobbling up power resources. According to Johan Snorri Sigurbergsson, this year, electricity use at Bitcoin mining data centers is likely to exceed that of all Iceland's homes. He said many potential customers were keen to get in on the act. He said, if all these projects are realized, we won't have enough energy for it. 9:26 a.m. Update. The real Wolf of Wall Street Jordan Belfort uses the word tulip on TV in the latest episode of Experts Compare Bitcoin to Disease-Riddled Dutch Flowers in the 17th Century. Jordan Belfort gives us his thoughts. Read the report here. 9:15 a.m. Update. BTC drops. Bitcoin has now lost $449 on the day so far. Apparently, this wasn't a part of the plan. 8:49 a.m. Update. U.S. Bitcoin buyers not paying their taxes according to Fortune. Despite months of warnings, U.S. investors aren't in a hurry to tell the taxman what they owe in taxes on profits. New data shows that just 0.04% of U.S. tax filers have reported their cryptocurrency gains and losses to the Internal Revenue Service so far this year. That's far fewer than the 7% of Americans who are estimated to own Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. Mike Novogratz, a billionaire hedge fund manager, said, "When I talk to the blockchain community, I'm always pushing them. I'm like, dudes, pay your taxes because nobody in that space pays taxes. Listen, the IRS is going to come after people. People are making real money now. So the IRS isn't stupid.